In today's Microsoft Excel tutorials video, we are going to see two important features of the Microsoft Excel, and these features are very important whenever you are dealing with a large database, and that is usually the case whenever we are making use of the Microsoft Excel software. So these two features are, first of all, we will see that how can we create a custom list for ourselves, and then we are going to see that how can we use the advanced fill options in Microsoft Excel. So first of all, we would be starting with a custom list options, and we are going to see that how can we create a custom list, how can we edit a custom list, or how can we delete an existing custom list from the Microsoft Excel. So first of all, we are going to see that what actually is a custom list. Suppose you just select any cell and type in the day as Monday. So we all know it's a universal truth that it is the first day of the week. Now what if we select this cell and drag it downwards like this? So it will automatically be filled with rest of the days of the weeks. Now if we just drag it towards the right, then again it would be filled with the days of the weeks, corresponding days of the weeks. So that is cause the Microsoft Excel knows that what next thing it needs to include whenever it is given the data as Monday. Similarly, what if we type in Jan, that is the first month of the year. Now we drag down, and you can see that the corresponding names of the months in the format that we have given, that is the 3-letter format, are shown over here. So how does Microsoft Excel is getting this data? Microsoft Excel is getting this data because it is available in something that is known as a custom list. Now how can you access or view this custom list? To view it, you can just go to File. Here you will find an option called as Options. When you click on it, there are some different options that are present. You can just go to Advanced, and when you go to Advanced, you will see these kinds of options. What you got to do is scroll to the very bottom, and here you will find something written as Create Lists for Use in Sorts and Fill Sequences, and then there would be a button for Edit Custom Lists. So that is what we are going to do, that we are going to click on it, and here are all the custom lists that are present with Microsoft Excel, like Sun, Month, Tu, Wed, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Jan, Feb, Mar, April, January, February, March, and so on. Now these two lists I have created beforehand. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial that how can you create your own custom list, and apart from that, how can you delete an existing custom list. So whenever I typed this word Jan over here, Microsoft Excel has a list, a custom list that shows the next data would be Feb. So that is why it filled it with this data. Similarly, I have created these two custom lists of my own, and if I type in any word or any country name which is present in this list, then the data would be filled according to this list. Let's see how. So I'm just going to close it for a while, and I'm going to type in India. Now if I just drag it towards the bottom, then you can see that the names of the countries have been copied, like India, China, USA, UK, France, Spain, Italy, and Iran. And it is because this was a custom list present in Microsoft Excel that I have created previously. Now what happens if I type any other country's name which is not present in this list? Suppose I type in Brazil, and then I just drag it towards the bottom, then this word or this country name Brazil would be copied down. So that is the difference between creating a custom list and getting a value which is not present in a custom list. So then again go to File, Options, Advanced, and go to Edit Custom List. So we are going to create a new custom list of our own. So first of all, you got to do is click on this new list option. Then you got to provide the list entries. So this time I'm just going to type in the names of the fruits, like apple. Once you have typed the word, just press the enter key for the next entry. Then type in bananas, then enter, orange, enter, grapes, enter, kiwi, enter. So this is the list of the fruits that I have got. And once you are happy with your list, you can just click on the word add and you will see that your list has been added over here. Now, what if you want to edit a custom list that is already present in Microsoft Excel? So what you got to do is just select on that list. Suppose this is the name of the country's list that I'm going to edit now. So I have selected on this list and simply just bring over your stylus over here. I'm just going to delete this Italy from here. So just delete it and then click on add once again. And then you will see that the changes that have been made to the latest list has been moved towards the bottom. Now the word Italy is removed from this list. Furthermore, if you want to delete any list that is already existing, so what you can do is you can just click on this delete options once your list is selected from this custom lists option. So I have selected this country's list and I'm just going to click on delete. So this is a warning that would be shown that list would be deleted permanently. So just click on OK and your list is deleted. Now there is another option how you can add list to this custom lists option, that is through importing list from the cells. So if you have some data into your cells already present, like the names of the employees, and you want to make a list out of it, so you need not copy the single names again and again in this list entries box. You can just import it directly from the cells. So how can we do that? There is an option called import lists from cells. You just click over here and drag all over the cells to which you want to copy the list. So I'm just going to copy these country names and then you can see that these cells are selected. Then click on import and you will see that this list is now available in the list entry section, and then you can click on add and this list would be added. So that is how you can create custom lists of your own through importing the data from the cells, or if you want you can also just type in the values over here. You can delete any of the values, you can edit the list, you can delete the whole list as well. And then you can just click on OK and you will be back to your worksheet. Now the list once created lives for the lifetime into your software, and it is available in all the worksheets. Now it is a universal truth for Microsoft Excel as well. Suppose I type in the the country name as India, then I just drag down and it will know that it has to copy that list, it has to follow that list, that custom list, and has to copy the words like or the names of the countries like China, USA, UK, France, Italy, Spain, etc. But what happens in some cases, what you want to do is you do not want to follow this list. You simply want that if you write India, you want that like Brazil is copied over here, you want just India to be copied over to the rest of the cells. Now how can you do that? For that we have an option of advanced fill, and how can we use it? I'm just going to show you. First of all, type in India and then you gotta select some of these cells up to which you want to copy the data. Suppose up to this cell I want to copy this data. That is, my data is present in the cell D3 and I want to copy my data, which is the name of the country India, up to the cell D15. So what will I do? I will select all these cells and then I will go to my home tab. In the home tab there is an editing group, and in editing group you will find an option called fill. So when you click on it, there are 4 options present: down fill, right fill, up fill and the left fill. What I'm going to do is click on this down option, or alternatively you can also use the shortcut as Ctrl D. So when I do that, you can see that instead of the list, only this data that was present in the first cell, that is name of the country India, is now filled over here. And that is how you can omit following the list and just copy the data. And again, if you want to do it in any direction, you can easily do it. Suppose I want to do it in the right direction, then I'm just going to select the cells and then press Ctrl R, that is its shortcut for filling the data in the right direction. And if similarly I want to fill it into the left direction, then you can just go to this option and press this left. And if you want to fill it in the upwards direction, you can just select the cells once again like this, and press the shortcut, or you can just follow this over here. So it is how it's done. That is, you can fill the same data without following the custom list as well, or if you want, you can follow the custom list as well. So that is all with the tricks in today's Microsoft Excel tutorial. I hope you all have enjoyed it.